Unimac washer troubleshooting. Fixing washer leaks. A leaking washer can be a major headache. Water pooling on the floor is not only messy, but can also cause damage. Fixing these leaks is crucial for maintaining your Unimac washer's efficiency and longevity. In this section, we will guide you through some common steps to identify and fix washer leaks. Identifying leak sources. The first step in fixing a leak is to locate its source. There are several common areas where leaks can occur. Hose connections. Check the hoses connected to your washer. Look for cracks or loose fittings. Door seals. Inspect the door seals for any wear and tear. Even small cracks can cause leaks. Pump and valves. Ensure the pump and valves are not damaged or clogged. Use a flashlight to examine these areas closely. Wipe away any water to see where it reappears. This helps pinpoint the exact location of the leak. Replacing seals. If you find that the door seal is the source of the leak, you will need to replace it. Follow these steps. Turn off the power. Ensure the washer is unplugged before starting any repairs. Remove the old seal. Open the washer door. Carefully pull the old seal away from the door frame. Clean the area. Use a cloth to clean the area where the new seal will go. Remove any dirt or residue. Install the new seal. Align the new seal with the door frame. Press it firmly into place. Test for leaks. Plug the washer back in. Run a short cycle to check for any remaining leaks. Replacing seals is a straightforward process. This small fix can save you from larger issues down the line. By identifying leak sources and replacing seals, you can keep your Unimac washer running smoothly. Regular maintenance will help prevent future leaks and extend the life of your washer. Note: if you want to know more details, you can visit this website, HelloTroubleshooting.com.